Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I am working with my new ring light. I'm so excited. Okay, and we are filming outside. I think this is my new location, which is outside on the patio because I have a good natural light, but I also have my ring light just in case. So excited. Okay, so today we're doing an IPSY unboxing and a really, really small shout out to another item. Okay, so IPSY Glam Box Plus. This is the bag. Stay golden. Cute. Very cute. I love these reusable bags. First thing I'm going to pull out is the card, Stay Golden. I'm not going to look at it because I don't want to know what's in the bag. Although I think I kind of remember, but I try not to pay attention. I'm going to stop picking my stuff so that I can be surprised because that's distracting. Okay. First thing, ooh, it looks like a pallet. And it is really warm out here. I do have my fans on, but it's still really, really warm out here. This is the Hip Dot Sun Goddess 4-shade face palette. Ooh, oh, she's cute. Colors are there. Oh, Sunbeam, Golden Hour, Radiance, and Sheer. Oh, these are pretty. These are really pretty. We have several wasps' nests out here, so if I jump, that is why. That's really pretty. I can't wait to try that. Next thing is the Keep It Handy Avocado Hand Cream. Oh, yes. And this is a 60 gram. What is that? Maybe a little over an ounce. And it is locked. I mean, it's locked. It's in plastic, and I didn't bring my box cutter, so we'll open that later. The next thing is this Il Maquillage Black Card Lift, Curl, and Lengthen Mascara. Ooh, okay, I'm not wearing a mascara today. I literally just took a shower. I am wearing a little bit of lip gloss, though. Sorry. I will not open this, but that Bite Beauty mascara is awesome. So awesome. And it comes off easily. This is cool. I'm not going to open this because once you open it, it starts to break down. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to use this after the Bite Beauty, before the Charlotte Tilbury. I already bought it, so. This is the Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Oh, I love a good eye balm. I'm sweating out here. Just FYI. Thought I'd let you know that. All right, eye balm in a pump. It looks like. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, okay. It's a balm, actual balm. Okay, did not expect that. I thought this was a cooling and brightening, so it's got a little bit of a sheer, probably iridescence to it. Okay, cute, very cute. I'm actually looking forward to trying that. I have one more thing in the bag, in plastic. Ooh, yes. One of my favorite things, one of my very favorite things to get and use and abuse. Should have brought my box cutter. Okay. The Dermadeli Citrus Gold Oil. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. I cannot wait to use that. I'm sorry. It's hard to get the focus on it because it's in this gold flaky. Oh, okay. Sorry. Is this for stimulates cells and enhances radiant skin? You know I have to try it, right? You know I can't not try it. Oh, it feels good. But what oil doesn't feel good, you know? Oh, it smells good. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna love that. I'm gonna love that. Oh, I'm gonna love that. Let's just go ahead. Let's just go ahead because The face is freshly cleaned. 3 drops. Have a few gold specks in there. Don't want to waste it. It smells so good. I always finish my facial routine with an oil, facial oil, mixed with my moisturizer. So since I slept in my makeup last night, this feels divine. Okay, let's close you back up. Make sure you're sealed because we are using you as soon as we are done with our other oil. You're next. Okay, that is it for my IPSY unboxing. If you're only interested in IPSY, you can stop now because the next thing is completely different. Oh, I did want to try and open this. This. Okay, I'm going to pause and get this open. Okay, in the end, I had to go cut it open. So, it was tightly sealed. I just want to look at the packaging, really. I mean, I'm not going to use it because I have all this oil in my hand, but I just wanted to see what it looked like. Cute. Little squeezy tube, and it's sealed. I like that. Keeps it sanitary. I'm not going to even test it. I have so much on my hands, I don't want to mess it up because this smells amazing. Okay, so that's it for the IPSY unboxing. Sorry. If you're done, if you're only interested in the IPSY, you can stop watching now because the next thing is going to be a completely different subject, different type of item and material. And yeah, so thank you for watching my IPSY unboxing. IPSY Glam Bag Plus is what I subscribe to, and it's a 5-item full-size product monthly subscription. I use my own money. This is not a sponsored video. Now, moving on to the next item. I'm going to give you a moment to all close your computers and do whatever. 1, 2, okay, moment's over. The next items in my, you know what? I'm going to give them their own video. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Peace.